everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have this here. This is AutoToolHome. What did it say it is? It is, oh, enjoy yourself. Well, what this is if you have a screwdriver and you're trying to screw things in, and sometimes you got to get around a corner, there's something in the way. Like if you have something and you got to screw it and you can't go straight in, you kind of got to go at an angle. This is supposed to make it easier. So let's check this thing out and see what it is. It doesn't even say what it is, but that's the barcode if you need to try to scan it. Good luck. But I got it at Amazon, so I'll put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick it up yourself. So let's check this out. And so this is what it looks like here. So the concept is, like, so if I have a screwdriver, so if I want to screw something at an angle, I can put this in here, just a standard one, and then there. And now I can screw at an angle like that. So you can kind of see it right there, you see? That's how it works. And then, oop, I guess I would have to hold it for it to do its spinning. Otherwise it's gonna just spin the head. But you get the idea. So it works. Pretty cool. So you can just stick it on there and do that without having to worry about trying to fit at a weird angle. So this would be good. I'm gonna be fixing an ice maker later, and that's what I needed this for, so I can get into the machinery behind it to do some screwdriver stuff. So there we go. So that's it here. Pretty easy in concept here. And I guess it has a little magnet that holds the tips in too, so that was kind of nice. So the tips won't fall out, which is good to have. And this is it again. Oh, it says right angle drill adapter right there. That's what it is, the right angle drill adapter. Where's the camera? Over there. So that's it. Thumbs up from me. I like it. Seems pretty durable. You can kind of see the stuff on it there. Seems pretty good. So I'm not going to be doing too heavy a duty of stuff, so not sure I'll ever really get a good test on it as far as breaking stuff, but seems good. Links in the description. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.